Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous piece of mulberry to show you today. So this is the Mulberry Bayswater backpack. So you can see on the back we've got these backpack straps which are removable. You can see those buckles there as well as adjustable. And then we have double top handles with a flat closure and that iconic mulberry postman's lock. And on either side we've got little press stud gussets there, so they just pop shut like that. On the other side as well, just pop shut like that. And then I'll open it up so you can have a look inside. So inside we've got gorgeous suede lining on that flat closure, and then we have got one zip pocket just here, as well as one flat pocket here. And then we've got that mulberry tree fabric lining throughout the interior as well, which you can see just there. The condition of this one we've called the exterior good. I'll show you why. So just on the front here on these top handles, you can see there's just a little bit of wear. You can see there's a small little scratch there and a little bit of wear for those handles there, but very, very minor. And then the corners actually are in a lovely condition. You can see each of those still looks very nice. But the main reason we've called it good is you can see that perhaps from where it's been stored, it's just kind of lost its shape a little bit. We've got a little bit squished. We've got some creasing on the back here, a little bit on the front, but not as much. It's mostly on the back. But you can see, if I open it up, once you start using it and you start getting all of your bits and bobs in there, it won't be as noticeable because it will fill it out and it'll kind of fill out those creases. So it will definitely not be as noticeable once you start using it. So that's why we've called the exterior good. The hardware we have called very good. You can see there's just a couple of kind of hairline scratches and marks on that postman's lock, but then all the other hardware is in a gorgeous condition. It's all got that lovely shiny gold tone and it still works beautifully and smoothly as well. So that's why we've called the hardware very good. And then again, the interior we've called very good. The main compartment of the bag, there's not really anything for me to show you in there. It's a gorgeous condition, but there's just a little bit of marking on that suede flat closure. You can see from where it's been bent over, it's got that little mark along there and a little bit of marking here too. But again, very, very minimal. So that is why the interior and the hardware we've called very good. Coming with this Bayswater backpack, we've just got the mulberry dust bag. And if you wanted any exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. So that is the link to shop this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If that link takes you directly to this Bayswater backpack, that's great, that means it's still available. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto because all of you guys love mulberry, so we've got loads of you on that request list. So make sure you get on that. All you need to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag, or it can be any bag that you have in mind that you particularly would like. Just let us know. We'll pop you on that request list, and then as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll let you know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list, but as I said, the exact measurements will be on the website, but I can show you the size on me as well for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4". So I'll just pop that on my back like that. So you can see it's just a lovely size. You can definitely fit an iPad or a laptop in there. It would make a great little work backpack. It's a gorgeous size, and those straps as well again are adjustable. So if you wanted to make them a little bit shorter, a little bit longer to your liking, you've got that option as well. So again, the link to shop this bag in the description. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that on your first purchase with us. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if you have any gorgeous pieces of Armcandy like this one that you'd like to sell, have a read through the process of selling with us on there. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces of Armcandy like this one that we have to show you, and we'll see you soon with some more.